Good evening, everyone, and welcome to the Bright Hockey Center. Eric Steckling reporting for you as tonight the Brown University Bears take on the Harvard Crimson in an Ivy League and ECAC showdown. A chance to gain a share of the Ivy League title, the outright ECAC title, and a chance to stay at home until the NCAA tournament.
Okay, let's let the puck do the work out here. Simple plays that give our team energy. Get after it now. Let's go. Let's go, guys.
For Brown, fighting for their playoff lives. Currently sitting in 10th place in the ECAC. Only 8 teams make it. The Bears 2 points out of that final playoff spot with 3 games to go. Every point crucial for Brown to try and sneak in and keep their season alive.
Hey, on our neutral zone forecheck, we got to take the middle of the ice away. Okay, that's first. It's easier to take the outside eventually. Step to the outside when the puck goes there. We got to take the middle of the ice away first. Possession. Go in. Get in. Get in there and then decide what the best play is. That came across. I would have called G off of it so you can go, she can stretch. Because you did have some space there. You didn't have anybody net front, you shot. She just went like this. That's where you go D to D, get it back. Now you've given your screen time to get themselves net front, right? Nice, nice. Low shots, Harvard. Take something off of them to get them through. All over, all over. Nice play by Dylan. Sammy to Dylan. So way to go, Dale. That's it, Chief. Way to be, Sammy.
5 minutes left to go in the first period. Harvard and Brown tied 1-1. 2-on-0 hit over the left side. Nice move. Deke back in front. She scores. Lindsay Fry.
That away. Hey, Debs. Hey, Debs. You did a great job at cutting off those 2 back checkers. Well done.
That's the end of the first period, fans. With the score, your Harvard University Crimson 2, the Bears Brown University 1.
Let's get some momentum going here now. Good kills, you guys. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Good forecheck. Good forecheck. That's away. Hey, Spurls, you did a great job going at her with your stick down, and then you brought your stick up, and then she moved the puck behind. Keep your blade on the ice. Let's go now. Try to eliminate the stick handling.
Tripping penalty on Vela. 5-on-3 here. Pass to the side of the net. Back in front to the left circle. Back to the left side. Back out in front, into the glove, rebound right in front, they score! 5-on-3, usually a recipe for success.
That away. Let's get another one here. Let's get another one here. Come on, let's separate ourselves. Right, let's put some distance here.
Here, breakaway right off the faceoff, shoots and scores! Lindsay Fry! 7 seconds into the period.
It's a way to be on your toes on the draw. That's it. Way to be on your toes on the draw. Here we go.
It popped right out where it needed to go, and it was kind of interesting. Instead of having their wing lined right up against me, they had her kind of pulled back a little bit, and it was every time we were on a center ice face-off. I'm not quite sure what they were trying to do there, but it gave me a little room to go. And then I think just kind of caught the D off guard.
Eddie, I like you over there. I like it. I like it.
Even if we're like in an umbrella?
Absolutely, because you took off. And the other thing is, you can make a forehand to forehand, or you can shoot it for a
Hopefully
rebound.
that day we'll be looking to advance on to the next round of the conference tournament. And over the left side, moving to the net, Sperling scores! Caitlin Sperling on the backhand sends it through Jameson's
legs. And you guys did a
legs.
better job of sort of handling it and figuring, drawing people up to you. But start to move this way. If she goes with you, you have this back. If she doesn't, now you can have this take off there. Head away, here we go.